How to vote on Aquarius. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up Aqua network website and over here you need to sign in. For that you will be provided with different options. You can choose any of the option. So in this video I will be using Wallet Connect and using the Lobster for it. So just scan this code using Wallet Connect on your Lobster, and after that approve the connection request on Lobster. Just click on connect and wait for it to do its work, and as soon as the connection is over you will be logged into your account. Then go to the option of voting at the top. Here wait for the page to load, and here you get different options to choose from. Whether you want to vote for the top pairs, just select the top pair option and vote for it. If you want to go with the popular ones, then just vote for the popular ones. But in our case I want to earn bribes, so for that I will just go with the bribes option, and here these are the pairs which are offering us bribe, so we can just vote for them and earn some bribe. And you can also check the pairs you are currently voting for by just going on to this section called your votes. So let's check the bribes over here. The pair which has got the maximum number of bribes, we will be just going with that pair for now. So just give me a minute. So this pair has the highest number of bribe that I will be getting, so I will just click on add to vote, then click on chosen pairs over here to complete the voting. Then select whether you want to use aqua or your ice. So all the available balance of your ice or aqua will be shown over here. So you can just simply select the amount that you want to put in this particular voting. Suppose I want to put my 100% vote for this one, and after that just click on confirm. And as soon as you click on confirm, you will be getting the notification of it on your Lobster. So just confirm that particular payment on Lobster and you will be good to go. And this is how you vote on Aquarius. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.